PEPCO is very proud of being able to support Northeast DC through different programs, and so Cesar Chavez was just one of those institutions that fell right within that goal that we were trying to accomplish.
As the students had the opportunity to experience with computers, with the robotics, 3D printing, we are here to stand beside each and every one of you as you continue to open your mind, take the risks, continue to think big.
Our end goal is to have all students excited about learning, especially in the STEM field. So the kids will have access to technology to gear them up for their future.
It's an opportunity that many people don't have, to be able to have so many items to learn about STEM.
I feel like, me personally, STEM education is really important to me because to be able to learn different things like in robotics and computer science in general as well too.
It just gives kids a better opportunity to come and just socialize more and also touch, feel, and stuff like that.
But we also were able to renovate the entire classroom, so all the wrapping was done through PEPCO. We were able to design with Ms. Culbreth, one of the teachers at the school. We want to make sure that we are able to provide students not only with the tools that they need, but we also know that that's going to be an investment for our future.